ABZ.
The FAA has made one thing crystal clear. The nationwide crackdown on Chinese-made drones is coming fast. TerraNav is proud to introduce the all-new ABZ C10 Cleaning Drone, available through TerraNav in the United States. The C10 is the most advanced aerial cleaning platform ever released, delivering unmatched precision and power for solar farms, industrial cleaning, agriculture sanitation, facility maintenance, and more, all while staying fully compliant with FAA requirements. When you choose TerraNav, you're not just buying a drone. You're partnering with a team that keeps your business protected, guidance, ongoing support, and immediate loaner drones if yours ever goes down. Because downtime costs you money. Don't make the mistake of buying a drone online with no support, no compliance protection, and no one to call when the FAA comes knocking. That's how businesses get grounded. Your business deserves reliability. Your future depends on compliance. And your success starts with choosing the right partner. Stay compliant, stay operational, stay TerraNav.
ABZ Innovation. We build drones.